RSI plus EMA trading strategy backtested with Bitcoin 5-minute data. The strategy. I only test the long positions. Here's the strategy. Buy when price is above EMA 80 and price is above EMA 21 and price is above EMA 13 and EMA 80 is less than EMA 21 and RSI 14 period is over 50. The buy signal comes when EMA 5 crosses over EMA 9. Stop loss is set to 10% and take profit to 8%. The EMA crossover periods and stop loss and take profit targets came from the optimization results. This is the heat map. The yellow areas show the best results. And these are the results. The return is about 7% of buy and hold. The win rate is over 60%. Pay attention. These are long duration trades made on 5-minute candles, so it should be automated with a trading bot if you want to use this strategy. I backtested this data for 10 years, and here are the results for each year separately. The patterns emerged from the data looks like this. In 2013 bull run and 2015, the strategy outperformed buy and hold in terms of return. The strategy and buy and hold return was always in the same direction, both positive or both negative. 2021 seems to be an anomaly. The strategy gave negative results, whereas buy and hold was positive. In the remaining years, the performance of the strategy and buy and hold was similar. Only in 2017 and 2019, buy and hold was significantly better. Win rate is almost always over 60%, except for 2014 and 2018. Here, all of our conditions are satisfied, so we take the trade. EMA 80 is over EMA 21, which is over EMA 13. And EMA 5 and 9 crossover. Also, RSI is over 50, so we take the trade. And then we wait for take profit target and we take it and we exit the trade. Overall, this strategy seems to be comparable to buy and hold, but not significantly better. Here's the Python code. First, we import the required libraries. Then we get the data from the database. Once we have the data, we are ready to test it using the RSI plus EMA strategy. This class does exactly that. First, we set the variables and then we initialize the class and then we define the next method. This is the actual strategy, and then we run the backtest, get our results to output variable and then plot our results.